Start by aligning carriage bolts with bolting plate. Then insert assembly into crossbar. Now place bolting plates and rubber washers onto carriage bolts. Repeat for opposite side. Place crossbar through holes in roof. Repeat for remaining crossbar. At front corners, place a bolting plate onto carriage bolts and finger tighten with nylock nuts. Then finger tighten nylock nuts onto carriage bolts at rear corners. Center crossbar on topper and fully tighten flange nuts. Repeat for remaining crossbar. Secure hex bolt through bottom of end cap using channel nut. Leave loose for now. Slide channel nut into crossbar, then torque bolt to 180 inch-pounds. Repeat for remaining end caps.